like what can we do? We got the masses and we got the distance. She has also given us the force, but we need to prove that the force will turn out to be this value or approximately become equal to this value. So F is equal to, the force acting between the stars will be F is equal to G m1, mass of first star, mass of second star, divided by distance between the stars, center of their stars. So the distance is 100. Let's just put the values. G is 6.67 times 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. M1 is here 2.15 times 10 to the power 30, and M2 is 2.91 times 10 to the power 30, and divided by R square, which is 100 million, that is 100 times 10 to the power 6 plus, and kilometer, so we need to add 3 for kilo, 10 to the power 6 for million and 10 to the power 3 for kilo. Okay, so what we get and square. So F is equal to, if you solve all these terms, what will you get? But if you solve this, it will turn out to be 4.2 something times 10 to the power 30 kg. You can look at it tens to the power. So 10 to the power minus 11 plus 30, that will be like 10 to the power 19. 19 plus 30 is 49, and minus 6 plus 3 is 19. 19 2s are 18, and if you subtract and then divide by 100, so what you get is 10 to the power 30, and you need to multiply these terms. 6.67 times 2.15 times 2.9 divided by 100. Okay.